Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Star Skills TV. You got me, Mark, and welcome to this exhilarating Friday. Exhilarating because tomorrow's the weekend. So I hope you have your weekend planned, whether you're staying at home or hitting the road, for those who are in the Philippines, going to Tagaytay, the closest out of town spot you can be. Especially right now, it's still warm, not as warm as April, I think, but still warm enough for us to seek a cold place. So what we have here is a song entitled Babala, which means warning or caution. And this is a song by Yeng Constantino. Now, before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa ating channel. And without any further delays, let's give this song a go in 3, 2, and 1.
Ang daming sinasabi, wala namang maibuka. Marunong ka pa sa'kin, hindi mo naman ako kilala. Puro ka patinig, magdahan-dahan ka. Baka mabilaukan, tubig ka muna. Galing pa sa'yo, galok at totoo. Diyan kita ihihinto, zip yung mouth girl. Sabi-sabi, dami-dami, parang alam nangyayari. Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala. Sali-sali, dali-dali, nakita mo na ba kung magalit? Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala. Ito ang unang babala. Ito ang unang babala. Parang puting tupa, sa loob ay ahas. Matalimang dila, minumog mo ba ang laway ni Judas? Bait na bait sila sa'yo, sa'kin di mo matatago. Umaalingasaw ka, itago mo ang sungay mo. Galing pa sa'yo, galok at totoo. Diyan kita ihihinto, zip your mouth girl. Sabi-sabi, dami-dami, parang alam nangyayari. Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala. Sali-sali, dali-dali, nakita mo na ba kung magalit? Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala. Ito ang unang babala. Ito ang una. Ang galing mo pala, talagang bumira. Gusto ng anghel, pero mapanira. Ang dila mo parang balisong. Pag tumusok ka, wasak reputasyon. Akala mo di aabot sa akin. Akala mo di ko maririnig. Kung matama ka sa harapan, ilabas mo ang mukha. Huwag mo manong sa likuran. Galing ba sa'yo? Kalok at totoo. Diyan kita ihihinto, zip yung mouth girl. Galing pa sa'yo, galok at totoo. Diyan kita ihihinto, zip yung mouth girl. Sabi-sabi, dami-dami, parang alam nangyayari. Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala. Sali-sali, dali-dali, nakita mo na ba kung magalit? Payo ko lang, mag-iingat ka. Ito ang unang babala.
And I believe that's the end of the song, but the video is still going. Very cool. He closed the store, and then the credits are there showing. Yeah. It feels like some sort of a visualizer because he keeps coming out of the door. But anyway, yep. So there it is. So babala, warning or caution, and To whom is Yang giving it? She's giving it to the Marites. Actually, Marites is like someone who gossips or gossip mongers, something like that. But I'm not sure. There's also, I believe, there's also a term because Marites is associated with a female gossiper. So there's a another term for the guy. I Dante, I think, or I don't know what they call, but I believe there's a term also as well for that. Um, you can see in the video, the common setting. She goes out to buy a mineral to get a refill of her water, and then there they are, the different types of marites in the streets, having their daily vitamins of fake news and other opinion exchanging activities. So the caution is for them. So some of the lyrics says, nakita mo na ba ako magalit? Nakita is seen. Magalit is to be angry. Ako is me. Mo is you. Naba is have you or have. So to translate, nakita mo na ba magalit? Have you seen me get angry? And then in the second verse, she mentioned parang mabuting tupa sa lubay ahas. This is to describe these marites. Parang it means like, mabuti is good, and then tupa means sheep, and then sa loob, inside, ahas is snake. So she's describing these marites like they seem like good sheeps, but inside they are snakes. And then she also mentioned, umaalingasaw ka, itago mo, sungay mo. Umaalingasaw is stinking or to stink or the stench. Or yeah, stinking. And then ka is you, itago is to hide. Mo is you, and then sungay means horn. So you are stinking, hide your horns. And then there's this part of the video where she charged a certain warehouse, and then there were kids there with those styrofoam sticks, and then there was a guy doing barbecue, and then there's the term there, marichu. So it's a combination of a marites and a chuchu. When chuchu is a like a term you give to someone who uh sumbong. What is sumbong in English? um to make sumbong is like to report someone, but usually when you say chuchu, it's on a bag, it's on a bad context. um so let's say, for example, you guys are, just having fun, as friends, having fun, having these misdemeanors. Let's just say, as an example, to describe chuchu, let's say, um you're giving someone ask you to buy hamburger, and then just for fun, you did buy the hamburger, but you took out the patty, you ate it, and then you repacked the hamburger and then gave it to that person. So the person gets upset because he just gets two pieces of bread and mayonnaise. And then when you say choo-choo, that pertains to that person who sells you out. So there you go. So someone who sells you out, he sells you out, so that and then you get in trouble because of them being a choo choo. So that's just one example. So very cool song, and actually there's some dark humor here, and very. I'm actually surprised because I know Yang being a pop star, very family friendly, general patronage stuff, and then there's that funny part there where she confronts the store owner who seems to be like the master marites with all those surveillance equipment. So she pressed her smartphone, she threw it onto the master marites, and then suddenly the phone stuck on his face, and then there were cables coming out like tentacles, and then it locked to his face, and then all of a sudden the phone turned into a bomb. It exploded, and it whacked his head. So some dark humor there, but very, it's still a cool song. without the video, I'd say it wouldn't be as equally funny because it was the video that really gave that funny vibe. The song is more of a it depends on the listener type of vibe. How you visualize the song, but having a music video, it helps you out do that thing. So there you have it. That is my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. And if you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring. And most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.